In this tutorial I will show you how to creative social media ads post design in Photoshop. Go to Adjustment Layer and choose Solid Color. Adjust the color. Press OK. Go to Type tool and type your text. Change this font. Change this color. Alt press move the copy text.
No.
Retype your text. Change this color. Press OK. Right-click, choose the Convert to Smart Object. Go to Filter and choose the Filter Gallery. Choose the gray. Press OK.
No. Yeah.
Same process this layer. Go to File and choose Place Embedded. Select the image. Click on Place. Adjust the image. Go to Rectangular tool and draw the shape.
No.
Change this color. Go to Type tool and type your text. Change the font style. Select the image layer. Right-click, select the blending option. Select the drop shadow.
Yeah.
Press OK. Go to File and choose Place Embedded. Select the image. Click on Place. Adjust the image. Alt press copy the image. Go to File and choose Place Embedded. Select the image. Click on Place. Adjust the image. Right-click, choose the blending option. Select the drop shadow. Press OK. Or press copy these image.
No.
Go to File and choose the place embedded. Select the image and click on Place. Adjust the image. Go to Type tool and type your text. Change the font style.
No. Yeah.
Adjust the text. Go to Type tool and type your text. Change the font style. Follow these process.
No.
Go to Type tool.
Yeah.
Type your mobile number details.
No.
Type your website details. That's it, hope you liked it. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more tutorial.